This is the Insta360 Snap. It's basically a small screen that sticks on the back of your phone. But why do you need one? Well, the back cameras on your phone are way better than the front camera because the back camera can take sharper photos, record better videos, and perform better in low light. The problem is that when you point the back cameras at yourself, then you can't see what you look like. You're basically guessing. And this is super frustrating. The Insta360 Snap fixes that because it gives you a screen so you can see yourself while using the better cameras. So now your selfies and vlogs will look amazing every single time. If you haven't got your Insta360 Snap yet and you want to take better photos and videos with your phone, then check out my affiliate link to the selfie screen with light in the video description. When you open up the Insta360 Snap, here is what you'll find. So inside you'll find the selfie screen itself. It has a protective cover which will protect the screen when you put it in your bag and carrying it around. It can also fold backwards onto the phone screen to prevent accidental touches. There is a built-in USB-C cable so you can connect it to your phone. Also inside is a quick start guide. When I take the box out, there is a magnetic ring. So if your phone is not magnetic on the back, then here you can peel the sticker, stick this to the back of your non-magnetic phone, and then the selfie screen will attach onto the back of this sticker. Also inside is an instructions manual. There are two versions of the Snap. The basic version is just a selfie screen only. This version has a built-in ring light around the screen. It was made together with a brand called Amiro, who makes beauty tech products. So if you film in dark rooms or you want to make your face look bright and clear, then this is the one to get. Now let's set it up. It's really easy to do. If you have an iPhone 15 or newer, your phone already has MagSafe built in. That means the Snap will stick right onto the back of your phone with its magnet without any extra steps needed. Once it's on the back, plug the USB-C cable into the bottom of your phone, and that's it. The screen gets power from your phone, so no charging is ever needed. To activate the touch screen, you first need to change a setting. So to do this, go to Settings, Accessibility, Zoom, turn on Zoom. Using 3 fingers, triple tap on the screen, go to Zoom Out, and now you can use the touch screen. So you can swipe, open apps, switch modes, and switch cameras. The screen is 3.5 inches big, which is a really nice size. It's high resolution too, so everything looks really clear and there's no lag. What you see is exactly what you get. On the side of the Snap, there is a small button that lets you flip the image. So if things look mirrored or backwards, you can just press that button and it flips around. If you got the version with the light, then here's how to use it. Press the light button to turn it on. There are 5 brightness levels from super soft to really bright. You can change the color by tapping the color temperature button. There is warm, natural, and cool. The light is great for filming at night, in a dim room, or anytime you need a little extra glow. It softens the shadows on your face so you look natural and bright. One of the coolest things about the Insta360 Snap is that it does work with any camera app. Whether you use the normal camera app or Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube or Facebook, the Snap screen will always show you a preview. You don't need to download any software or create any accounts. So since the Snap is running on your phone's battery, you might be wondering, does it drain your phone battery very fast? And the good news is that the Snap is very efficient. You can get a whole day's worth of content without worrying too much. Insta360 says that you can take around 200 photos and it will only take 6% of your phone's battery. The Insta360 Snap is perfect for vloggers who want to film themselves every day, beginners who want to take better selfies, content creators for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, or anyone who wants to use their phone's best cameras for self-filming. You don't need to be a pro, you don't need to know how to use a camera. If you can plug in a USB-C cable, then you can use the Insta360 Snap. And that's your complete beginner's guide to the Insta360 Snap. Hit the like button if you learned something new, leave a comment if you have a question, and I will see you in the next video.